Welcome to the English Corner. I hope so. You're all doing good. As you know, this is the fifth part of Pair of Words. Before it, I uploaded four videos, which is about pair of word. This is my fifth video, and this is the first pair of word due and due. First due means Shabnam ke katre with due, and the next due is sabab, the traffic jam due to accident. लेकिन DUE के बहुत सारे और भी मतलब हैं.
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी।
And second pair of word is cord. Cord, CORD, rassi, and CHORD, coordination. This is the power chord, and piano struck a chord and let out the melodious voice. And the last but not least pair of word is or. पहला और घंटा है और दूसरा और हम, यानी कि हम अपने आप को जब बुलाते हैं. So I think so it's very clear. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.